much. You've been very kind. This is one from Yank Rachel, but we funked it up. Well, bring me my shotgun, oh, my pistol and some shells. Bring me my shotgun, my pistol and some shells. Bring me my partner, there'll be some mess in here. Hey, big leg woman, get your big leg off of me. I said, big leg woman, get your big leg off of me. Ah, this might be good for you, baby, when I declare your mashing.
I had a drop pod in my car. They're real big and heavy.
Thank you very much. How about it for the new Honkies, huh? Thank you. My name is DelGrosso. Very proud and honored to be here. Thank you. Love Florida.